Towel folding and wrapping is a subtle yet essential art that elevates the overall spa and wellness experience. More than simple presentation, it reflects care, cleanliness, and attention to detail. Soft, freshly laundered towels are carefully folded into elegant shapes or wrapped securely around the body to provide comfort, warmth, and modesty during treatments. The gentle weight of a well-wrapped towel creates a feeling of safety and relaxation, allowing the client to fully unwind. Thoughtful folding techniques also ensure easy movement, proper coverage, and a smooth transition between therapies. In professional settings, towel wrapping supports hygiene standards by maintaining clear boundaries and protecting the body from exposure. The visual harmony of neatly arranged towels adds to the calming atmosphere of the treatment room, reinforcing a sense of order and tranquility. Whether used for massage, body therapy, or post-treatment relaxation, skillful towel folding and wrapping enhances both physical comfort and emotional ease, turning a simple fabric into an integral part of a soothing, respectful, and luxurious wellness ritual.